Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your KashFlow by Iris account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you give access to your KashFlow to your accountant or your bookkeeper? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to give your bookkeeper or accountant access to your KashFlow anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes managing your books can be time consuming. So maybe you hired a bookkeeper, but you need to give them access to your invoicing and your banking. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my KashFlow account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to give your bookkeeper or accountant access, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click your account settings. All right, once you do that, you'll see a lot of different options, but look for this box here called your account. Inside that box, you want to look for a lock. Looks like a golden lock. That is the accountant's access. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next, KashFlow is going to give you a little bit of information. These are the steps in order to add in your bookkeeper or an accountant. So you're going to send an invitation. So you're going to enter their email address here. Once your accountant or bookkeeper receives the invitation, they're going to go ahead and register for an Iris KashFlow Connect Client Manager account. Once they've registered, they're going to get access to log in and then they'll be able to view all of their customers apart from you. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in their email address here and then click search for your accountant. Okay, once you do that, KashFlow is going to let you know if that accountant or bookkeeper is in KashFlow's system. If they are, it's going to show you here and you can simply just give them access and add them as an accountant. If not, you're going to want to send them an invitation right here. Okay, next the page refreshes, you'll see a confirmation that the invitation was sent out to their accountant. Once the accountant receives the invitation, same thing, they're just going to go in there and register. Once they've registered, you're going to come back here and enter in their email address once again, search for accountant, and then once they've registered, they'll show up there and you can give them access by checking them as your accountant. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add accountant or bookkeeper access into your KashFlow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.